Hello friends, I am Abhay. So today we will going to discuss about access modifier and non-access modifier in Java. So access modifier in Java is specify the accessibility of field, method, constructor and class. We can change the access modifier of field, constructor, method and class. We can change the access level of this field, constructor, method and class using access modifier. So there are four types of access modifier. One is private, second is default, third is protected and fourth is public. So private access modifier, the accessibility of private access modifier is only within the class. We cannot access the this modifier outside the class. For example, there will be two class will be created. One is class A and class B. In class A, and there will be in class A contain private data member and private method. We try to accessing this private data and private method outside the class. The compiler will compile time error. So that it means that is cannot be accessed outside the class. So default access modifier. Second is default access modifier. Default access modifier, the accessibility of default access modifier is within the package. So within the package and the default access modifier is it cannot give the access level. It cannot specify the access level. It is called as default access modifier. For example, default access modifier is the one method is public void and public void message. So the public is an access modifier. We cannot give this access modifier. The method is only void message. So this method is called as default method, default access modifier method. Third is protected access modifier. Protected access modifier, accessibility of protected access modifier is within the package and outside the package. The outside the package is through child class, means inheritance concept will be satisfied. If we not if we cannot if we cannot make the child class, it cannot be accessed outside the package. Fourth is public access modifier. The accessibility of public access modifier is within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package, means it's access everywhere. So that's all about access modifier. So non-access modifier is non-access modifier means we can non-access modifier provide information about characteristics of method, variable, class. Is called as non-access modifier. So there are the non-access modifiers such as static, final, abstract, synchronize, synchronize, native, volatile, transient, etc. That's all the non-access modifier. So that's all about access modifier and non-access modifier in Java. Thank you.